everybody, it's Patricia and welcome to my channel. Today I'm starting a project pan for the year. This one is called 25 in 2025. So I have pulled 25 products that I want to use up in 2025. And I think pretty much they're full-size products. And this is not used 10 times and I'm done. I'm going for it. This is to be totally used up. And so I recently did, my inventory of all my products, and I went through and I picked out things, and I want you to know it's pretty hard for me to pick. I had a hard time. So let's go over what I have chosen, and yeah, we'll discuss it. I have a little bit of makeup in here. I didn't have a whole lot of makeup that I felt like I needed to use up in 2025. Now, I hope I hit my goal and use everything completely up, but I think that's all my actual makeup products. So let's start with that, because there's just 3, 4, 5. I've got 9. That's quite a few. But we'll start with makeup. First, I have this little NARS in Orgasm. I've had this quite a while, years. It really needs to go. When I did my inventory, I have 2 of these. I've got one that is much newer and is still in a box. So this one I want to totally use up. I have used it. I've used it over the years. This is my problem. I have such a light hand. You cannot tell that it looks like I barely scratched the surface. So my goal is to use that up. I will be putting Orgasm all over. Next, I have a powder foundation. This was in a project before. I was in a project pan and I did hit pan. I stopped. I got to finish it up. The goal is to use this up. So I think I can do it. No, I know I can do it. I know I can do it. We can do it. Next, I've put in a Super Shock shadow. I've had Super Shock shadows, not shadows, highlighters in projects before and never been able to use them up. They just keep going and going. This one is in Butterfly Beach, one of my favorite colors. I have a ton of highlighters. I won't miss this. I do like this, but it needs to go. So, bye-bye. I have 2 highlighters. Excuse me. I have 2 concealers that I purchased online. I thought I was getting the right color. Neither one of them are the right color. I want to use these up any way I can. So, I may use them as foundation. I don't know. I may come up with creative ways to use them. They could be eyeshadow primer. There's all kinds of things I can do with these. But these both need to get out of my collection. I won't be using them as concealer because they don't work for me as a concealer. But I'll find something to do with them. And like I said, I had a hard time picking items. So, do you know I did a few franking videos? Here's the little things I frankened. You know what? Let's use them up. I've got 2 eyeshadows and I've got 2 blushes. So this one is not very deep at all. These hopefully will not take long to use up. That blue is not deep either. I think I can use these up. So no thinking that I can't. I will use those up. So let's put these aside and we'll get into like the main stuff here. I had it all separated as I was picking stuff out, but I just threw it all it's all in a basket because everything goes nice and neat in a basket. All right, Pond's Cold Cream. I bought this to do a video years ago about classic makeup and skincare, and look at that. I did use it. I stopped using it. I'm going to set this by my sink, and I am going to use this as a makeup remover. I got to get this, use this up. There we go. Also, my Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Balm. I need to use this up. I have used some of it, but it needs to go as well. Set that out. I have Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion. There's quite a bit in here. I need to use this up and set that by my sink. I haven't even used any of this. I actually took it out of the box. This is Dermalogica Skin Smoothing Cream Moisturizer. Like I said, it's got to go. I need to use these products. So this one is brand new, unopened. It's probably got a safety seal on it. Let me see. Yep, safety seal's on it. So when I say it's all got to go. Brand new. I have got this Beekman 1802 Pure Goat Milk Whipped Body Cream, and the smell, flavor, scent, fig leaf. My mother-in-law gave me this one year for Christmas. It smells pretty good. Not my favorite scent in the whole world, but I mean, it smells all right. But I need to use this up. It's a couple years old. This body spray, Soap and Glory Original Pink Fragrance Spritz. Let's get it out of here. Gotta go. This Gingham Fresh Bath and Body Works body scrub. I have used it some, I think. I don't know. It was in a drawer. Usually if I pull these, I leave them. I don't think this has been used. It just looks like it has. Notes in this are Juicy Pear, Sparkling Clementine, and Fresh Daisies. Let's smell it. Oh, that smells nice. I like that. Okay, I'm gonna throw that in my shower. Let's get to using it. I got a hand cream, Dionis, D-I-O-N-I-S, Goat Milk Hand Cream, Lavender Blossom. I haven't used this. I don't know if it's even still got a safety seal on it or. Yep, safety seal. We gotta use that. See what I mean? I got these things, I gotta use them. I have a Heritage Store Rose Petals Rose Water Spray. It doesn't look like it's been used. Probably haven't. I have Bedhead Beach Freak Moisturizing Detangler Spray. I have used this. I don't know why I stopped. I think I started focusing on something else. It smells yummy. Oh, it smells like the beach. As soon as Christmas is over, I'm ready for the beach. That's how I am. So I'm ready to move into my tropical mode. I'm done with winter. After January 1st, I'm done with winter. It just needs to go away. And spring just needs to come. Doesn't work that way, but in my mind, that's how it works. So I'm ready for spring. Body cream. This one's brand new, never been opened. Bath and Body Works Fresh Cut Lilacs. Oh, it's my favorite scent. And sure enough, its notes are lilac bouquets, dewy greens, and soft spring air. I'm ready for spring. Oh, yummy. I'm ready. I'm ready for this. I'm ready. I have a mousse. This is about half full. This Instant Volume 24-hour mousse by Aussie. Needs to go bye-bye. And I am about out of this. So I put it in here as a easy use up. I need something kind of boost my confidence, you know, kind of get going. So you put some easier stuff in. This is the Diva Curl, the Curl Maker Curl Boosting Spray Gel. This is something I might consider purchasing. I have other gels, if you saw my hair inventory, that I need to use. But we'll go, I put this in, so it'll be an easy use up, and then I can kind of get me going for the year. I have the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana Cream. Need to use that. Let me see. I think, yeah, it needs to go. It smells okay, but it needs to go. And then I have 2 moisturizers. I've had these a little while. They need to, as you know. L'Oreal Age Perfect. I have the daytime moisturizer. And man, there's a lot there. And I have the nighttime. Now, if I remember correctly, yeah, it's fine. I'm gonna fill these because I think the nighttime is not as thick as the daytime. Oh yeah. Oh, major difference in texture. So I'm gonna reverse them. I don't want anything heavy on my face during the day. I'd rather have the lighter weight. So yeah, I always thought that was odd that one is, the daytime is thicker than the nighttime. I don't know why, but there we go. I am going to switch those around and wear them the opposite way. So that's it, 25 items. I can do it. If I can do this, I might try to really get into panning. You'll notice I didn't put a lot of paper. I didn't put a lot of powder products. Like, there's no way I'm putting an eyeshadow in. I have never, ever finished an eyeshadow. It took me forever to hit pan on an eyeshadow. There's no way I can finish an eyeshadow. So there is no eyeshadow in this project. I will check in monthly and just tell you. I'll keep notes. I'm gonna keep a notebook just for this channel, and I'll keep notes as to my thoughts, my opinions, where I'm at, how much I used, that kind of thing. Keep up with it, and we'll just see. We'll just keep going. We'll do monthly checkups, and this is not a rolling pan because I had such a hard time picking products. I'm not going to do this as a rolling pan. So as something goes, my numbers, it'll dwindle down. My project with my samples is a rolling one, you know, because I need to hit 50, well, actually a total of 100 samples to use up on top of this. But I can do it. I can do it. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, any thoughts, please leave them down below, and I'll get back to you. And if you are new here, I would really love it if you would subscribe. So, thanks for spending time with me, and I'll see y'all next time.